What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. And Samsung official renders has been leaked over the internet. Also, the price of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 series has been leaked by Ishal Agarwal and WinFuture on their respective websites. Ishal Agarwal has shared some images on the Twitter for the official renders regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20, whereas the WinFuture has shared some information regarding the S20 devices on its website. Also, there is another leak regarding the box content which we are going to see inside the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20, and its leak has been shared by Max, which is a popular leakster regarding the S20 series right now. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for every new video which I upload on this channel. So guys, Ishal Agarwal has shared some images regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 official renders. He also shared some information regarding the price of these devices. So if you look at these renders, they are pretty much confirming the official look of the device, and the front of the device is looking similar, and there is a 2.5D curved display is going to be seen in upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 series rather than 3D glass, which has some issues for different users. So Samsung has clearly listening the consumers and bringing on those things which a consumer wants. Despite the fact that they are not providing the 3.5mm headphone jack in their devices, other than that they are doing pretty much well. So Ishal Agarwal has shared some price of the particular Samsung Galaxy S20 series, and also he has shared some of the colors scheme which are going to be seen in upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 devices. So according to him, the Samsung Galaxy S20 is coming with two different variants, a 4G variant and a 5G variant, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S20 4G variant has a price of 899, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G variant has a price tag of 999 euros. Color wise, it is coming in three different colors: the cosmic gray, colored blue, cloud blue and cloud pink. S20 Plus is coming in only one variant, which is the 5G variant, and he has only shared the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G variant price, and according to him the price would be around 1100 euros. Color wise, it is also coming in three different colors: the cosmic black, the cosmic gray and cloud blue, while the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G is coming with two different variants, two different storage variants. One is 128GB and the other one is of 512GB. The 128GB S20 Ultra 5G is coming with a price of 1349 euros, whereas the other variant of 512GB for Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is coming with a 1549 euros price tag, which is a really high price for a Samsung Galaxy S series device right now. Color wise, it is coming in two different colors: the cosmic gray and cosmic black. Also, Ishal Agarwal has shared some protective case images regarding the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, and he has told us that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 covers will have a vertical stand, real LED flashlight, real LED present on the cover as well, and they have some power in it. Maxia has shared some information regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S20 series boxes as well, and according to him, we might not see a 45 watt of fast charging inside the box. We only see a 25 watt of fast charging inside the box, and sadly we will not see any kind of earbuds inside the Samsung Galaxy S20. Headphones are going to be seen because the 3.5mm headphone jack is not available in S20 series. Well, if I look at the price of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it is a huge price tag, and not providing the Galaxy Buds inside the devices and not providing a 45 watt of fast charging inside the device is kind of a surprising thing for me, because having such a high price tag for a device is not justified from Samsung. Well, next leak is regarding this upcoming Samsung Galaxy M21, and a Geekbench score has been leaked over the internet, and according to that Geekbench score, we see the device is going to be released in this month. Although we don't know about the information regarding the official from Samsung, but there are certainly many rumors, and the history told us that the M20 device last year has been released this month, and we are expecting that the Galaxy M21 is going to be released in this month as well. So according to Geekbench score, we see that Android 10 is going to be seen in this upcoming M21 device, and One UI 2.0 is expected to be seen in terms of skin from Samsung. 4GB of RAM is going to be seen inside the device as the Geekbench score release. Exynos 9611 SoC is going to be present inside the device as a processor. According to GSM Arena, there are some rumors over the internet that we might see a dual or triple camera sensor on the back of Galaxy M21, and also we might see two variants variant of that particular device. One is going to be seen in 64 GB and 4 GB storage. The other is going to be seen in 4 GB and 128 GB internal storage. So guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video, and if I give my opinion regarding the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra price, then it is quite a huge price. And Samsung, if rumors are true and Samsung is not providing a 45 watt of fast charging or an earbud support inside the box, then it's going to be a really bad thing from Samsung, because at such a high price tag they must have provided some earbuds inside the particular device. So guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing it, and thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.